back. So this video I wanted to do the 7-pin wire connector and junction box hookup. It allows me make it easier to add in accessories like a backup alarm that I'm going to attach actually to the trailer instead of my truck, so I don't have to deal with the beeping all the time. When I do the bunk upgrade where I have the lighted bunks, make it really easy to hook up. So, but here's the whole install. Let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe to the channel and enjoy. Hey, just some quick thoughts at the end here. Make sure you're using the waterproof connectors. Those things are awesome. They also have ones that have adhesive in the tube itself as well. Those are even better, but the regular waterproof connectors are perfectly fine. And then also make sure you give yourself some slack on your wires. Anywhere on something like a trailer or a vehicle, you always want to give a little bit of slack just for any movement. Keep from abrasions happening. All right, so I got my junction box hooked up down there. Everything's wired up. I have the cable running through here. Got plenty of cable that comes out. Don't have to worry about slack. And we're gonna test her out.